If you're looking for a way to really get your life into perspective and make you understand every single day how time is fleeting and you want to make the most of life, I know, this poster called Weeks of My Life is an amazing product and that I really want to share with you. So maybe you've got targeted on Instagram like Marco and I did, and we bought it. I got it for his birthday. What it is, it's all the weeks of your life. So starting from the first week of your life to say if you live 100 years. Now, you put in your birthday and it will auto-populate all the weeks that you've already lived. And then you will have all the weeks that are yet to be lived in your life. So you're gonna wanna be an optimist if you choose to buy this product. Don't get really morbid, but get positive about how much time you still have left to make the most out of whatever it is you wanna make the most out of. Every week, you fill in a box. So one box is 7 days. You fill that in, and that is a week of your life that is now gone, and you cannot get back. And all the white boxes, again, are the weeks you still have left to live. I got this for Marco on his birthday because he had said he wanted it, and then he forgot about it. He opened it up, and he was excited. He was like, wow. And then he got real sad real fast and was like, my life is almost over. Look how many freaking boxes he has still yet to live. So I got myself one as well. And really looking at it right now on the other side of the wall. We have it in our bedroom. So when he wakes up, he sees it first thing he wakes up to, and then I'm on the other side and it's the first thing I wake up to. And I just hung it up. My birthday just passed, so I just hung it up. I'm looking at it now. It's pretty intense. It's just boxes. And you're like, shit, wow. That's my life. What have I been doing with my life? What am I gonna do with my life? Did I leave the oven on? Altogether, it's a really cool concept. And if you, like Marco and I, are into personal development and you're into, wanting to make the most of your life, if you're someone who's not present, or you know someone that isn't present and you want to help them become more mindful, this is a great tool. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. They're horrible customer service. I'm just letting you know. Yes, because of COVID, shipping is, delayed. My poster came like 2 weeks late, maybe more. I just gave up after a while. And I said it'll come when it comes. Marcos also did not make it on his birthday. So order in advance. It comes in a little tube. So just make sure you flatten it out for a little bit, and then you can put it in a frame. I got this frame, it's a 2-pack on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link down below. It's just a poster, so there's no plastic or anything, so you can write on it. I recommend getting it. It does not come in a frame. The picture shows a nice black frame. It doesn't come with a frame. You're spending like 40 bucks on just a poster. Maybe that's normal, but I don't buy posters. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope it was a fun gift idea. It's real deep. Be ready for it. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.